Yeah, I saw that man. I saw that man's body just drop.
Yeah.
In front of you.
Drop the weapons and get hands up! Do it! The fuck?
Get the ground now! LSPD, don't...
Okay.
Come out, stay still.
You're not gonna survive down here, man.
Suspect standing by for transportation.
Aranos. Arano, motherfucker. Fuck you, pendejo. Come here, puta. Cop piece of shit. Don't shoot. The fuck you looking for down here? You're not gonna survive down here, man. Take this shit off, man. Police, get down! Move it! Don't move!
Got it.
Get down!
Fuck you!
Get down! I want to see hands!
I
Hands
can't.
Up. Drop to your knees!
Okay! Slow!
Turn around slowly.
Let me go, please!
Elemental talk. We have an individual in custody.
Hands up high!
Get all civilians, bro.
Oh, shit. Shit. I can't see! Don't want to get shot. Okay.
Stay down and turn around. Hands up!
Motherfucker!
The suspect is secured. You think I'm afraid of prison?
Drop your gun first.
Police, get your hands up! Police, hands
Yeah,
up
give
your
up.
head!
Maranos!
Turn around, keep your hands up.
Surrender!
Police, down on the ground! Get down, I want to see hands!
Hey! Ah, puta madre.
Execute talk. Suspect standing by for transport. Hands up! Stay quiet.
¡Aléjate de mí, pendejo!
Leave the talk. One suspect in custody, compliant.
Ready. Quiet.
Los locos will cut your fucking head off!
Suspect cuffed and secure. Lead. Talk. Good to go.
None of them will go back. You're not dead!
Drop the weapon and get police! Drop the weapon!
I dropped it!
Drop the weapon now!
What you let it do?
Turn around and stay still.
Coño!
Elemental talk. Suspect in custody.
Straps should be coming. Yeah.
Don't fucking walk away from me!
Check over here real quick.
Can't see! My eyes! Mierda! Shit!
There's one down the hall in front of you. I should be able to get him. I should
Alright.
reload real quick. Oh man, he's surrendering. Yeah, that guy.
Motherfucker! He's staying over here, man. You a bitch, man.
Cuffs.
Malditos, man.
Turn around. Stay still. Do not move.
You fucked up big time.
Shit. So what is it? That bus, right?
It's just that.
Yeah. I think we're done. Bro, I could have been viral twice. I would posted the eyes and then just Corey
Oh yeah.
just shoot at the dude. Oh, bro.